Hello everyone, my name is Jagruti Gulle and my coordinator name is Shubham Vadarkar, final year B Pharmacy student from Shivaji Rao S. Zondre College of Pharmacy, Asanga. We are going to perform an experiment of processing and monographic testing of glass container as per IP under the guidance of Professor Geeta Moire ma'am. The principle of this experiment is hydrolytic resistance test is performed on the glass to find out the limit of alkalinity liberated by it. According to the response of glass containers to the resistance to the attack by the chemical, the glass containers are categorized. The HF test is performed on the glass container by which we can distinguish type 1 and type 2 containers from type 3 containers. These are our required apparatus and chemicals: retort stand, burette, funnel, 3 vial, borosilicate glass dish, conical flask, a beaker filled with distilled water, 0.01 normal SCl, a solution of hydrofluoric acid, measuring cylinder, methyl red indicator. Rinse each container at least twice with the water. Just before the test, rinse each container to the brim with fresh water for injection and empty them and calculate average overflow capacity. The average capacity of each container is more than 30 ml. So, according to the above table, we have to use at least 3 containers. Here, fill 90% of the calculated overflow volume into the measuring cylinder. Above table, the volume of each container is 60.3 ml, so average is 60.3 ml. Now cover the containers with borosilicate glass dish which previously rinsed with the fresh water for injection. Place the containers in autoclave containing water such a way that they remain clear of water. Keep the containers inside the autoclave. Close the autoclave. Displace the air by passing steam for the 10 minutes. Raise the temperature for the 100 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Reduce the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Now remove the container from the autoclave. Cool them in the bath of running water. Within 1 hour of removing from autoclave, carry out the following titration. Fill the burette with 0.01 normal SCl. Take 100 ml of test solution. Combine the liquid from the containers being examined and transfer into conical flask. Add 0.15 ml of methyl red solution. Titrate with the 0.01 normal SCl, taking as an endpoint color obtained by repeating the operation using the same volume of freshly distilled water. The color changes to pink and endpoint obtained. Now for the blank titration, measure the 100 ml of distilled water in the measuring cylinder, transfer it into the conical flask. Add methyl red indicator. Add drops of HCl from the burette. Here we get the pink color as an endpoint. Refer this given table for volume of HCl required for the different capacity of container. Now for hydraulic test, take washed container and fill completely with the 4% volume by volume solution of hydrofluoric acid and allow to stand it at room temperature for 10 minutes. Empty the containers and rinse carefully few times with the water. Now keep all the containers into autoclave. Displace the air by passing steam from the 10 minutes. Raise the temperature from 100 degree to 121 degree Celsius for 60 minutes. Reduce the temperature 100 degree Celsius for 40 minutes. Remove the containers from the autoclave. Combine the test solution from container and transfer into the measuring cylinder, then transfer it into the conical flask. Add methyl red indicator into it. Follow the titration. Add the 0.01 normal HCl dropwise from the burette. Now color changes to the pink and endpoint obtained. Now perform blank titration for the hydrofluoric test. Add distilled water into the conical flask. Add methyl red solution. Allow it for the titration. Add HCl dropwise from the burette. Here color changes to pink color and we get the endpoint. Compare the result within the limits of the values given in the table 2. For the type 1 glass, the value obtained with the HF acid treated containers are closely similar to the stated in the table 2 for the type 1 and type 2 glass. For the type 2 glass, the value obtained within hydrofluoric treated containers greater exceed those given in the table for type 1 and type 2. And here to those given for the type 3 glass.